All right, hey, what's up guys? It's Roy here. So today I have the Caseology Nano Pop case here for the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. I went with the black sesame color here. It does come in some other colors on Amazon. So if you're interested in scooping this up, then make sure to follow my Amazon affiliate links down in the description. So getting the case out, it comes in this plastic wrapping. It does have the Caseology kind of like welcome to the club thing here. Has some different engagement processes if you're happy or not happy with it, social media, all that fun stuff. And then here is the phone case. So they're only making this for the S23 Ultra. So for some reason, not the S23 and the S23 Plus. But with the Nano Pop, let's go ahead and look at the inside. So we have this kind of psychedelic looking pattern inside here. It's kind of a grayish color. Does have some reinforced corners here. So you're getting military grade drop protection with this case. Has a little bit of flexibility, but it is fairly stiff as well, which I appreciate. So let's get this bad boy put on. So let's just pop it on. Very easy install, and there it is. So looks really, really nice. Has this really nice kind of silicone texture. It's kind of not black, not matte black, not gray, just kind of this nice mixture. Does have some simplistic Caseology branding there at the bottom. And with the actual camera bump, I really like it because it's a kind of a harder polycarbonate shell almost, but it has individual lens cutouts there. So you have no clue what color the phone is, if it's the green, the cream, the lavender, the black, whatever. But that's the look of it there. It looks really nice. The lenses are nicely recessed in. So getting some good camera protection out of this. So really appreciate that. Now the sides I really like because with this type of material, it can be slippery sometimes, but they've added this fantastic grip on the bottom that I don't know if the camera's picking it up or not, but it is super duper grippy, like feels like sandpaper, but not that bad. You have some raised power buttons and volume up and down buttons here on the sides, but when you're holding the phone, that grip is just insane, and that's on both sides. So very much appreciate that added grip there. Now the bottom is flat, but a little rounded on the corner, so it helps with the sharpness of the boxy S23 Ultra. But we do have a nice cutout for the port. So the USB-C charging port, the speaker, and the S Pen. As you can see there, the S Pen is easily able to be taken in and out. But like I said, super grippy side, but it stops right in the middle. So that's almost like where your thumb rests, but then it gets smooth again. And then those rounded corners and flat top with a circular cutout there for the microphone. Looking at the front, you can see we do have some raised lips on the forehead and chin and the sides as well. And that's the look of it when we have the screen turned on. So very slim black borders, so very clean looking. And then now let's go ahead and do the wobble test. So just throw it face down. There's no shaking. Back down, definitely some shaking on the corners. So just something to point out. Clicky button test time. Power button, very responsive, so no issues at all. And then if we turn on the screen and do the volume buttons, very clicky, very responsive. So 2 thumbs up for sure. Last but not least, Qi wireless charging test. So let's put it on. And as you can see, it is Qi wirelessly charging the device with ease, so no issues at all with that. So all in all, guys, the Nano Pop feels fantastic, looks good, feels great in the hand. No smudge issues really so far that I've noticed, no fingerprint issues, very easy to get in and out of your pocket. The grip is fantastic on the sides. So 2 thumbs up being around a $16, $17 case. So hit that like button if you like this video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe, God bless. I'll see you on the next one.